All right, so Juventus 1, FC Porto 2, FC Porto 2, Juventus 1. Drop a like on this video. Ensure that you put a like on this video. I'm going to show you some clips, some pictures of what really took place. Very bad result for Juventus, even though they got the away goal. But I thought I'm really sure that they wanted to win this. And you know, from the likes of Ronaldo on the field, I really expected him to turn up today. But really and truly, throughout the entire game, he was non-existent. So since the early goal, I was basically saying that the stage is set for Cristiano Ronaldo to provide its magic, and these are the type of situations that we know Cristiano Ronaldo loves to thrive under, and these are the things that Ronaldo would. These are the type of games that Cristiano Ronaldo will take by the scruff of his neck and move on and defeat some and probably overthrow FC Porto. But they dug in. FC Porto really scored some really good goal. The first one was really fortunate. Bad miss pass from the defender to the keeper and intercepted by the striker, and he slotted it home. I would say miscommunication between keeper and player right there. And then the second goal, a beautiful square, hard and low. Striker took it one time control with the left foot and then slotted it home near post with the right foot. Szczesny had a hard day basically, but Cristiano Ronaldo throughout the entire game was non-existent. I doubt he even had a shot on target as well. But hopefully in the second leg at the Old Lady, they can really turn up and overthrow this run. And if Porto should score a goal at the Old Lady, you know that the game would be really turned on a different level. So hopefully they can get through this one. So it is FC Porto 2, Juventus 1, and they move on to the next stage. Cristiano Ronaldo didn't turn up for this one. It's that thing now where all the stars are just sleeping. Anyways, Military Guna TV. Hit a like, share, subscribe. I'm out.